Welcome back channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on it. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make it. So let's see what to be expecting on our gold. If you take a look at this our trade, yeah, in a downtrend move, right? But right now market is giving us a minor uptrend move. So with this minor uptrend move, see something like this, our first higher low. This is our second higher high, second higher low. So we should be expecting one more movement, which is third higher high. So one more push up is what we should be expecting, and that will eventually take out this previous high. So one more push up, expect on your gold to take out this previous high. Now let's see it on 1 hour time. So one more push up, which will give us bullish, which will be bullish. One push up to take out this previous high. And once it does that, I will let you guys be updated and give you guys an update on what's likely happen next.